Now I'm going to take a look at how to use the standard algorithm for regrouping. I have gone ahead and built the number 1,264. I have 1,000 here, 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones. That's my first number. And I'm going to add 156 to that number. So I have 156. So 100, 5 tens, 6 ones. I'm always going to start right over here with my ones. I notice that I have 6 ones here and 4 ones here. I know if I combine these ones, I can have 10 ones. And I know that 10 ones is the same thing as 110. So I'm going to take these 10 ones and I'm going to turn it into a 10. I'm going to trade those out. So what I've done here is I have added the 4 ones plus the 6 ones, and now I see that I have 10 tens, so I can actually trade those tens for 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to go ahead and combine my 10 tens here for 100 because I know that 10 tens equals 100. That one over, it's a little off a little bit. We're going to fix that. So far I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that I have traded those 10 tens and I have 100. I still have 2 tens left. So right down here, I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 tens that are left. And I'm going to add 100 right up here because I traded my 10 tens for 100. So now I'm going to add my hundreds. I have 1, 2, 3, 400. So right down here, I'm going to put my 4 for my hundreds. I have 4 hundreds. And then finally, I know that I have 1,000. Take this off. There we go. So now I see that 1,264 plus 156 equals, I have 1,000 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, which is 20, and I have 0 ones. I'm going to put a 0 there for the placeholder. So I see that the sum of my base 10 blocks of 1,264 plus 156 equals 1,420. Right down here with my standard algorithm, I made sure that I showed that I was regrouping. I hope this makes good sense to you.